Morning guys, May 21st, 2024. This one here I gotta go to a guy I've worked for a bunch of times. He's got an AC system on the second floor and I believe it's leaking Freon, so it's been icing up. We're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. Maybe if it's not too low, put some gas in it for now, at least get him going for now, and maybe give him a price on quote him out a new system. It's an older, I think it's an older Goodman over there. It's a 410A, so I'm not quite sure the vintage of it, but I'm pretty sure it's a 410. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and give it a douche. Gas and go, get them going. It'll be hot next couple of days here. The old gas and go, mama. Alright, there's no hot air coming out of it. This is the one she had the second floor on, so we'll get our stuff hooked up. We'll start it up again. She's low on gas. 410 here. What size is it? It's a 2.5 ton. 30. Hopefully this stuff still works.
We've already had the big guy here twice.
Really?
Yeah, this time it's like right under my slider.
When you getting bit?
Well, I can't get bit. I'm allergic, but I think I'm the only one that's allergic. But we watched them all yesterday.
Are they yellow jackets or what are they?
I think they're yellow jackets.
They got the yellow stripe on them?
I think. But he came and he did the wall like last time. So I called him yesterday and I'm like, oh, can you come back? Because I think we have another. They're just annoying.
They sound annoying.
But not the honeybee. You can't kill the honeybee, right?
Huh?
You can't kill the honeybee. So today I put upstairs on and it's working. But it won't last.
Well, yeah, it's low on gas, I could tell. Let's see how low it is. If it's not too low, I could add some. It's just gonna leak out again though, unfortunately.
So we should really get a new one?
Well, I probably should get a new system here, but let's see.
Yeah, because every year it's the same.
Let's see how low it is. It's like the limbo. How low can you go? Right? If it's too low, you can't do it.
Has it been busy with all these calls for ACs and stuff?
Not yet. Just starting. Just starting to warm up. People wait till the last minute.
Right.
Ain't that the truth?
Mm-hmm. Well, this will be 15 years. That's pretty good, no?
What is it?
We've been here for 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah, so that's probably good. Considering the way they make things now.
Yeah, unfortunately. At least we got some gas in it. At least we got some in it.
That's a good sign.
Well, at least it's not flat, completely flat here, so. So we'll see, we'll start it up and we'll see how low it goes. Don't want to be without air conditioning, do you?
No.
Even if the system needs to be changed, you're probably gonna have to put some in anyway.
Uh-huh.
If you want gas, if you want it cool.
Yeah, we'll keep it really cool.
You don't want to be sweating up there, right?
Well, if you can see the one, tell me, I'll tell him.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if it's really low on gas, do you want to add some or not?
Oh, yeah.
Just for now.
Yeah, and then get a new one?
Yeah. Then we'll let me start it up and see what it's doing here.
He trusts you. You tell him he needs a new one.
Yeah, we're definitely low. Definitely got to add some gas to it. It's going to ice up like that. That's what it's been doing, icing up, right? We'll put some gas in it and get you going for now. We'll give it a little doucheroo. Give it a little douche. A little douche will do. Yeah, we'll put some gas in it now. We won't put in too much, but flash it. Eureka for sure. Superheat, subcooling up. Yeah, 2. Gotta bring that up. Bringing that subcooling up. And that superheat should come down. Eureka. It needs a good doucheroo. That backside's all dirty. Subcooling's gonna be a little high. I did add some gas to it for now and get them going. The suction's at 120. Subcooling's at 10. Superheat's around 25. I mean, that's good. I'll be good like that for now. It's gonna need a new system. I gotta give this thing a good douche. We're going to be good there for now. It's going to be above 100 on the suction for 410. And like I said, I got to give it a good. This side's not bad, but that back side's all dirty. We'll stay there with it. We'll be good with it there. The holes right here. This front side's okay, but this back side is. Yes, flipping choked. Alright, so superheat's around 10, subcooling's around 9, suction's at 116. That's good for now. This thing's a flipping wimp. Just got it off. Yeah, it was off.
It was?
Yeah, it was off. There wasn't nothing coming out. Yeah, that's better now. I'm gonna give it a good douche. The backside's really bad. This backside's really bad. This side's not bad, but just so we can breathe. We're gonna need a new system here. This needs a good douche, mama. This will have air conditioning for now until we can. Gonna need a new system here. Need a good flipping douche. This side's really bad. Give it a good doucheroo, mama. So it can breathe. Yeah, we give it a good douche. A lot better now. This is all full of dust. £11. 3 pounds. Oh, less than that. 211. It's like 2 3/4 pounds. Two and a half pounds, not too bad. All right, guys, just left that job. 2.5 pounds. That's not too bad. I told his wife about it, and she's gonna talk to the doctor, see what he thinks. It's probably the evaporator that needs a 15-year-old system. I mean, yeah, I could probably put an evaporator in it, but it's not gonna be cheap. Either way, it's gonna be expensive. New system or repair that one. Well, you gotta, you know, let him know what's going on, and he'll let me know what he wants to do, and we'll take it from there. The wife wants a new system right from the get-go here. I said, let me check it, see how low it is, and see what's going on with it. At least they'll have cooling for now. You know, it's going to be hot for the next 3-4 days or the next couple of weeks. And getting on that time where it's going to start, at least they'll be able to sleep at night. In the meantime, they want to change out the system or try to repair it. We'll get into it deeper. Multiple offender, Molly. Anyway, we'll go on to the next job.